這一塊尿片俾我。哦，咁你應承啦，拜。Hey Science Dude, welcome back to my channel. I'm really curious about my baby's diapers. So that's why today let's open the diaper and see what's inside. Let's open it. And inside we found this. This is super absorbent gel. See, this one is super absorbent gel. Not only cotton or inside diapers. There's also super absorbent gel. This is what inside looks like. Let's see what happens when we add some water. But before that, let's add some more of these and more. Remember, if you have an allergy to cotton, please wear a mask during this experiment, because when you open it, cotton will spill everywhere. But anyway, I don't need to wear a mask because my allergy to cotton. But my mom is. She's allergic, but not me. See? We collected a lot of super absorbent gel. Next, let's add some water and see what happens. In 3, 2, 1. And now let's stir it around. Let's stir around with the scissors. See what it becomes. Until you get to a lumpy size small liquid. When you flip it upside down, it turns into a solid. It turns into pretty cool, right? It got stuck on my hand. It got stuck. Thanks for watching. Bye.